What the fucking fuck is going on with you fuckers today? That was a fun little intro, wasn't it, guys? I don't know, got me all over the place. Okay, anyways, today we got your boy Aaron back. It's been a while, guys. It's been a month to be exact. I'm not gonna bother explaining why. You guys do not deserve the explanation. Okay, so let's get into this video. What are we doing today? We're learning how to trade cryptocurrency, guys. That's right. And guess what the best part is about this? You do not require any identification of any kind, so you can literally evade tax like a motherfucker. Now, I'm joking, guys. We're all law-abiding citizens around here. Come on, you already know how this goes. Anyways, let's take a little drift to the side for a minute. Like this goddamn motherfucking video, because I know you fuckers like to avoid liking the video for some emotional, animalistic reason. I don't know what the hell I'm saying. Just like the goddamn video, guys. In the description, you're going to see two links. You're going to see a partner link and the link for this website. Now, the partner link should look like partner.bybit.com/b/TDA. The other link should be bybit.com. Now, you may be wondering, why are there two links? I am affiliated with ByBit. Now, before you guys say, oh, boo, boo, and leave the fucking video, okay, come on, guys, give me a second, okay? I have used ByBit once for 1 day. Well, not once, I used it for 1 day. Not a long test, but you know, guys, gotta keep shit moving. Now, let's see. I'm affiliated with them once again. I have put two links in the description for a reason. You guys can choose to use my link, which does support me. It also helps you guys out because there's some boosts. I'm going to put all of this in the description of the account boosts and how much extra you'll get for different deposits and whatnot, guys. So you guys can choose to use my link if you plan on putting in a good amount of money so that you can actually earn some bonus money on top of that, guys. Up to you. Or you can use the initial ByBit link, and ByBit does currently have an ongoing deal out, and I'll put the link in that. I put the information for that in the description, so you guys can have a look at everything that's going on with ByBit's bonuses and whatnot. Now, once you get to this page, you can sign up. My referral code will not be in the description. You have to use my link. If you do not use my link, you can fuck yourself. Okay, I'm sorry, guys. That was a bit harsh. You know I love you guys. Okay, so sign up. If you want to withdraw funds from ByBit, keep this in mind. You will be required to use Google authentication. I fucking hate this. I'm like, why must I do this? However, like, you are storing your funds in an online wallet essentially, so people can, hack into your account, and that's perfectly possible. You don't know what people will fucking want. Someone might have your password. Who knows? You might have accidentally leaked this information somewhere. God knows what could happen, but let's say someone uses your computer to log into the site and try and send themselves some money without your permission. They need to have your Google authentication code to do that, and they can't do that without it. I haven't been told to tell you guys about this. In fact, everything I'm telling you, this isn't scripted at all. I'm not scripting every fucking line of this, guys. You guys know I do my videos raw and shit. Yeah, that's right. So, anyways, we're just going to continue on, okay? Once you sign up and make an account, you're going to be greeted with the godly dashboard that you see now. I know you guys are like, what the fuck am I seeing? This looks like a goddamn movie where they got all the lighting. You got some red, black, white shit going on around here. You got colors changing everywhere. You got bars and shit. It's crazy, guys. But we're going to go through this entire dashboard. We're going to have a look, not this entire goddamn dashboard. What do you think this is? Look how many fucking pages they've got. Jesus Christ. We're going to go through just this initial page and one other page. So you guys can have a view on things. But first things first, we're going to quickly explain a little bit of this dashboard so that you guys have an understanding of it and you guys aren't overwhelmed. So, the order book are the orders going through right now. The quantity of orders and the total orders in USD. I might be wrong on this. This might be something completely irrelevant to what I just said. I am not too familiar on what the order book is. I'll be honest with you guys. But let's assume it is what I said. We're going to leave this whole part alone now because this part is just... come on, guys. It's giving me like epilepsy vibes, you feel me, guys? I feel like that was so offensive to so many people, but we're going to move on swiftly. Now, in the top left corner, you can change the currency that you're viewing. I'm favoriting Bitcoin because Bitcoin is the shit, guys. Okay, you have Ethereum, fuck Ethereum, fuck all that altcoins and shit. You have EOS, I have no goddamn idea what the hell this shit is. You have Ethereum, which is not Ethereum, I said Ethereum. You have Ripple, which is Ripple's And yeah, you also see other stats about the 24-hour high, 24-hour low, which is basically the highest price it's been in the past 24 hours and the lowest it's been in the past 24 hours. That's essentially all it is for this. The chart now, you may think is a bit complicated. It's really not, guys. You can, first things first, you can alternate between the views. So if this looks a bit complicated and you guys don't know what the fuck you're looking at, like me, wink wink, you can use this little bar section, which just removes that, so you guys can have a clear view of the current pricing in a nice little graph, kind of like this. Personally, I prefer this look. However, if you want to feel more hackery and, you know, more spooky, you can use the bars. But a little trick here that I realized very late is that the bars actually show up on this regardless, at the background, the graph kind of, and it's the exact same as it is over here. It's just it's changed around a little bit because it has an extra bar here. I'm not sure what the fuck the difference is. I believe, yeah, I have no idea, guys. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. Okay. But anyways, you know, you guys can feel like a spooky hacker here, guys. Okay. In the bottom, you will see your trades essentially. You see your positions, your close, profit and loss. You can also see your active trades. I have one active trade outgoing. We're going to get into what this stuff means. However, I want you guys to keep in mind, now that you've just learned what this section is and what this section is, you guys have essentially got half of the dashboard now. So if this dashboard was feeling a little bit complicated to you guys, just keep that in mind. You know, you just learned what 50% of the dashboard is. And if you're still confused, you can rewind the video. This isn't a live stream. Fucking rewind it, okay, guys? Don't slack out here, because trading, believe it or not, is actually the best way to earn profit on your Bitcoin, because, or on any cryptocurrency to be exact. Because if you're in cryptocurrency to make money and you don't want to put money into Bitcoin and just sit on it for a bunch of time, okay? And just sit there, because I know a lot of people that sit there in their wallets, have like coin market cap or shit on, and they're just sitting there watching the graph and waiting until it hits this high point, and they're just going to withdraw their money. This just makes shit easier and much more fun, to be honest with you guys, because don't lie to me. This looks fun as fuck. Like, you're just sitting here on the computer with like 10 monitors, like got a bunch of graphs open and shit. Come on, guys. You know the vibes. Anyways, on the right, you have this section. This is what we're going to get into now, but keep in mind, we've learned this section. We're not going to get into what the fuck this is. Okay, can I remove this? Is that a thing? No, I can't. Okay, we're just gonna leave this here, guys, but I do not fuck with it. Okay, this section is the most important, alongside this section over here. Okay, and I'm just moving my mouse around. You guys are like, what the fuck is he doing? Okay, anyways, so the first thing we're gonna look at is this. Okay, so this, not the fuck, what am I don't even know what I'm saying, guys. So this is where you place an order now. What we're going to get into first. So let's start with the first things first here. We're going to click this little button over here. There should be one button over here for you guys by default. I'm not too sure. However, you want to click on it. It should be on cross by default. What we want to do is change it to isolated. I am not too familiar with what the difference is. I'm not going to lie, apart from one lets you change the leverage and one doesn't. However, you know, you guys can research this. I am not someone you should be taking financial advice from or anything of the sort. Please keep that in mind, guys. So please do research half of the shit I say at least, okay? Because trust me, I'm going to get some shit wrong, okay? So you want to head over to the isolated section. You can then change the leverage. Now the leverage is very complicated, but it's very simple as well. Essentially, you're taking a loan out. Now, let's say you want to place a $200 trade on Bitcoin, but you don't have $200 in Bitcoin in your current wallet. You have $100. What you can actually do is change the leverage so that they'll give you the money to place this order. But if the trade fails and you end up losing all the money you've put in, they're going to essentially take all the money you've put in now. This will essentially empty your account balance, because you're obviously placing an amount exceeding the current amount that you have. So if we place the leverage on 2, this would allow us to place a $100 trade. However, we're timesing it by 2 now because we've got 2 leverage. So they're giving us a free $100 essentially. 3 times would be essentially $100 times 3. That's, you count it as essentially. So for every 1 leverage you have, you can times your current amount by 1. So if we have 5 leverage, we can do like $100 times 5. 10 leverage, we can do $100 times 10, etc. I like to leave mine on 10 by default. You guys can do whatever the fuck you want with the leverage, okay? Or you don't have to. You just set it at 1, which doesn't do anything, I'm assuming, because, you know, your leverage times 1, your your amount times 1 is like the same amount. So I doubt that does anything. I'm not sure. Maybe it does something. Who knows? That's what I'm saying, guys. Research, because I might just be like giving you guys complete shit, honestly. So let's confirm this. we're done with that now. It's saying leverage not modified because I haven't actually changed my leverage. Now, we have 3 sections here. Essentially, yeah, it did actually tell you over here. So a limit order is to buy or sell at a given price or better, which is what I want to do because we're going to get into that in a second. Market is traded at like, you're like trading it at the like actual price it is at the current moment or something like that, guys. I'm not too sure. However, the limit is what we're going to be working with, and I'm going to show you guys how to actually use it in this properly. From my experience, which is 1 day worth of cryptocurrency trading. Now, keep in mind, guys, I have traded once or twice before. I'm quite lowering the actual amount I've traded. I've traded a few stocks here and there. However, I've never traded cryptocurrency before, but I do know the benefits of trading cryptocurrency. Don't get it twisted, guys. So the order price is essentially the valuation of the amount where we're placing. So with this order, it's currently at 55k. So if I place $10, we're going to be placing a Bitcoin trade of $10 at a Bitcoin valuation of $55,000 per Bitcoin. Now you can change this to whatever you want. I'm going to put my quantity as whatever you want. You can put it to 100% of your current account balance, or you can put it to 75% of your current account balance, or you can just put in a random number that you have, that you know you have in your account balance. Keep in mind we have a times 10 leverage going on, so I'm going to put in, let's say, $5. This is going to be 5 times 10 essentially, which is 50. Now you guys can go ahead and double check me on that because I might just be completely wrong. But okay, you can also, the one thing we're going to do is we're going to do buy long with take profit / stop loss. Now, take profit and stop loss essentially mean when we reach a certain profit, we want to just stop the trade and take the money we have. If it reaches a certain loss, then we just want to take the money and just say, okay, listen, we don't want no more trouble, okay? So right now our valuation is at 55k. I'm gonna actually change this to 54.9k because I want to keep it simple, okay? Now, take profit. Once our once our Bitcoin reaches let's say, so the current Bitcoin valuation, once this reaches, let's say 55.5 thousand, that is a 10% return of investment, guys. Keep that in mind, okay? So we're making 10% off what we're putting down, which is $50. So 10% is $10 roughly. So we should be making about $60 from this. Before fees. I'm not too sure what the fees are, guys. So you guys can research this with Google. Please research as much as you can with Google about anything. Keep in mind, ByBit also has a help center, which is extremely helpful. I've used this quite a lot of my time being here, as well as the BitByLearn. Not the why do I keep saying BitBy? The ByBit Learn, okay? Which is a bunch of information on the actual dashboard and a bunch of information on how to trade and whatnot. I really recommend you guys checking that out. So both of these sections, they're very useful, guys. Please just don't feel free to read. You have to learn as much as you can, guys, because you can't expect to, properly do this by just watching my video or one other video on this platform and just thinking, yeah, I've got the gist of this now, I can trade like a sick guy. No, please read, guys. It's very important. So the stop loss, once the loss reaches 54k, actually no, let's make it 53.5k. We're gonna just take all our money. We're gonna be done. We're gonna actually make a loss of 26% if we do this. So we're gonna take that risk, guys. We're making 10%. We may lose a lot more than that if we take a loss. But I believe the way Bitcoin's been, we probably will. It hasn't reached 50. Yeah, so it could actually very well reach it. However, it's just I'm not. Guys, I'm just a sick financial guy. What can I tell you guys? Okay, so we want to also select post only. I'm not going to go through telling you guys what this is. You can stop it and read it here. Essentially, it's going to be executed as a market order. It can be executed immediately as a taker order. It will automatically be cancelled. So what we're going to do is we're going to actually start this, and we're going to press buy/long. This will start the trade, and we can view it in real time. We'll confirm this, whatnot. As you guys can see, we've got an active trade going now. I believe, which one is it? I forget. It's this one. Okay. I was like, is it this one? No, it's this one. Okay, so that is yes. I don't think it is a what's it called? It is a thingy. I forgot what the fuck it's called. I don't think it's a times 10 leverage. I think it is. I have no idea, guys. Honestly, just leave me alone. I don't know, guys. But yeah, we placed the trade. Now, once again, guys, I am not the best fucking guy when it comes to this trading shit. I have no idea what the leverage is saying right now. I believe it's on 10 though. I don't know. I'm just confused now, guys. But it's on 10. It's on 10. Don't worry, guys. But essentially, as you guys can see in the take profits, that's just stop loss. This will actually update you, or not update you, it will tell you what the current take profit and stop loss are for this trade. So as you guys can see right now, this if I come back to this in a day or two and I see this over here, I will know exactly what trade this is, because, or when it's going to stop, and when it's going to stop, basically. So yeah, so it's going to take profit when it reaches 55.5k, and it's going to stop when it reaches 53.5k. Now, it shows you this on all your current outgoing trades. You can also see other trades in order history, in your filled trades, in your conditional trades. Conditional trades are the ones over here, by the way, guys. I have no idea what these two do. I know what market does. I haven't used market though. I don't know what market does. I don't know what conditional does. But yeah. So I'm not gonna update you guys on these trades. I might leave like a little update in the comment section once I'm done. However, I'm not going to here. And yeah, so that's about it with that. If you want to cancel the trade, you can press cancel over here. However, yeah, you guys will be able, if this does reach 55.5k within about, before it hits 53.5k, and you guys actually watch the history of me uploading this and whatnot, then yeah, you might actually know if it actually went through or not, or if I actually because I'm gonna leave it now, guys. I'm gonna leave it, so it might go up or might not. But yeah, anyways, I'm waffling on, guys. Okay, so this video has been pretty fun. I'm not gonna lie, I haven't recorded in a month. Subscribe and whatnot, you know, do your thing if you want to. To withdraw funds, I'm gonna also get into that now, so you guys can actually know how to withdraw funds. I don't know why the fuck you guys want to know. So you want to start by going into to your emails over here. Should be up here. You want to head over to my assets. This will redirect you to this page. It will not actually. It will redirect you to this page. No. Let me go back here. Hold on a minute. I've messed up, guys. What's going on here? It will redirect you to this page. I had it open on my other tab. I don't know what the hell I'm doing. So, okay, redirect you to this page. You can then press deposit or withdraw. I'm not going to withdraw right now. I'm going to deposit. Then you can deposit your funds to this Bitcoin address. Now, if you don't want to deposit in Bitcoin and you want to deposit in fucking Ethereum for some goddamn reason, you can deposit here. I believe on some, it also allows you to change your chain. Yeah, as you can see, you can change your chain over here. And that is about it, guys. As you can see, Bitcoin hit 55k, so who knows, we might actually be making bank today, guys. Okay, so that's about it. I'm not gonna lie to you, this has been a very, 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 very long video. It hasn't been that long. I'm waffling on now. Bye bye, you fuckers. I will not see you soon.